Okay, we're back with Dr. Jared Skowron. Thank you for being with us. And
Thanks,
he's written a new book for your children. It's called, and I'm going to try to say this right, Naturopathic Pediatrics. Now, you're a pediatrician.
Correct.
Right? And you have a practice in Connecticut, don't you? And what is this book all about? Explain to folks what this book is all about.
Well, all the parents in my practice were interested in natural remedies, and this is our focus, but they really wanted to learn the science behind the medicine. And so this is over 1,000 research studies worldwide on proven natural remedies that treat children's conditions. Perfectly safe and works great.
And this is a book that is available on Amazon as well as bookstores. I'm guessing you can pick it up as well.
Correct.
It took a lot of research, and I guess seeing that you are a doctor, some not trial and error, but it was you go and you try what works, and it's something that you evolved, I'm sure, right, as in your practice.
Definitely, definitely. And really the past few years, research has exploded worldwide on different diets, on different vitamins and minerals and herbs, and it's wonderful. We want it to work, and we want it safe. We want the best health for our children.
Now, I feel like we live in a more natural kind of society now. There's a lot of health food stores. Are parents with their kids looking for those kind of options, not perhaps just that traditional medicine, but also a natural response to any child illness?
Oh, entirely. I think it's part of going green, and we want the best for our children, so we do everything. We use conventional medicine, we use natural remedies, and a lot more parents and families are coming out to try and get the best for their children.
Always good, too, especially now you've written a book, but you've been able to practice this stuff as well. It's not just someone writing a book and saying, hey, I think this is what it is. This is what you actually do on a day-to-day basis with your patients.
Yep, I've been involved with this medicine for 10 years and every day working with kids, and it's great, and they get healthy again, and ADD goes away, and asthma disappears. It's fantastic.
Now, is that what we're going to see, you think, as time kind of wears on here? Are we going to see that kind of marrying of the more natural remedies as well as the medicines, too? Is that where you see us going?
Oh, exactly. We're looking at integrated medicine and building bridges between the conventional model and the natural model, and this is where people are going to be healthiest.
Let's talk about this book, just quickly again, where you can pick this up. If any parents are, maybe you have a child home with a cold right now, or you have a child with asthma, and you're saying, hey, I'd like to take a look at this and see if there are any natural remedies for my child. Where can you pick the book up?
Amazon.com is going to be the best place for that. Barnes & Noble is also going to carry it, but it's great because every section is tabled at the end. You open up to the chapter you want to look at, and right there are listed the remedies that you need and the dosage, and it's perfect.
Do you ever think you'd be an author? Is this your first book?
First book.
First book. What do you think? I mean, did you think you were going to do this, or is it something you said, hey, I have all these ideas and let me get them down on paper?
It was so much work. I never had any idea the amount of work that puts into it, but it's great that all that information's out there, and now it's in one place.
All right, terrific. Again, Naturopathic Pediatrics by Dr. Skowron. Thank you so much for being with us,
Jeff.
and we'll be
Appreciate
right back.